There are some people God took time to bake in the oven of beauty before clothing them up in human flesh. Isigini. You said what? That's me. Yes, you heard that right. Me, Mom and Pretty Imisi, the only one Mom and Pretty Imisi. Welcome back again to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this awesome hair from QT. This hair is 8x5 Glueless lace wig, human hair Precut, Kinky curly virgin woman hair. The name of the hair is quite long, but it has kinky in there. It is curly, it is virgin woman hair, and it is lace wig. It is glueless, and it is 8x5. Hope you understand. So if you're wondering, the beautiful lady you saw at the intro of this video, that's me. And I'm going to be showing you the whole process of installing this 8x5 glueless lace wig. It's been a long time that I've seen a wonderful hair this beautiful. Honestly, everyone, you can't afford to miss. You can't afford, my viewers, you cannot afford not to see me in this look. If you have not grabbed your chair, go grab your chair, sit down. Let us make this hair together. I'm just applying hair conditioner here to redefine the hair. Oh boy, the hair is tangle free. You can see the way I'm running my hands in there. It is tangle free. It is silky. It is silky now. I mean, it is soft. That's the word. It is soft. Oh boy, and this is me. Just put it on. No hassle, no stress kind of hair. It comes with its own hair cap, and this is it. See the hair. Hey, this hair is giving. It is giving. When I mean giving, it is giving. I just pop it on. No stress of cutting. It has been pre-cut. You get the word. That's where the pre-cut comes in there. Pre-cut. It's being pre-cut. So if you are like me, who doesn't know how to fix this glue wig, you mess up the whole thing like me, this is for you. Just grab this one and don't stress your life trying to glue what will not glue. You understand? So just grab it. It is, you can see my hair, simple. This hair is giving. I just pop it on. Nothing, no wahala, no hassle. And this is it. I'm just trying to like show you different types of hairstyles you can make with this wig. This wig is don't come and say I'm overhyping it, but honestly, this hair is awesome, guys. It is sweet, it is soft, it is awesome, and you can style it into whatever style you want. You can see the frontal of this wig. It is well laid out in such a way that if you are a beginner or you are someone who does not even know how to install lace wig, just put this wig on and you're good to go. It is that amazing, guys. Look at me, feeling cool about myself. I am feeling just fine right here. It's actually giving. You can see me running the tail of the comb into the hair. You can see it is firm, and at the same time it is glueless. And if your hair feel itchy, you can dip the comb in there and scratch, unlike other wigs or some wigs that I've used before in the past, that you want to reach down to your scalp because you've glued it down. Right there, you've glued it down. You cannot reach down to your scalp, and it makes me uncomfortable. This one is one exceptional wig that I've recently added to my collection, so this is awesome. You can see feeling so cool about myself. I don't know how else to describe this wig, but it's just great. If you're wondering where to purchase this wig, the link will be on the description of this video. Go ahead and grab something for yourself, or you can browse through their website. They have tons of wigs to choose from. And may I remind you that this website also does like bulk sales. So if you're interested in starting a business of hair, this is one website you want to partner with, and they're gonna give it to you at affordable price, and yeah, you can make money. So go ahead and you can start your own hair wig business, just like that. So all right, everyone, I am still looking at my beautiful hair.